So it's 10 to 8 in the morning and we're just heading to catch the tour bus that is going to take us on the South Coast tour. It picks us up at the big church in Reykjavik, so we've only got a wee walk, which is good because we're running late. So yeah, I think we're going to go see black sand beaches, waterfalls. It should be a good day. The sun has risen and we're at Skogafoss waterfall. It's actually so scenic, it's amazing. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Wow. It's a bit slippy on all the rocks.
The steps.
Walk up the steps. I don't know about that, Ryan. There's a walking trail that takes you all the way up to the very top of the waterfall. And of course, Ryan being Ryan is ready to go to the very top.
Yeah, if I brought my crampons, I'd be going right under the waterfall.
Right, let's go. It's 7 minutes to the top and 7 minutes back down.
17.
17? I've not got time for 17. What's that working song? It's like, through the wind and rain we go, working hard is all we know. We've got a long walk up here.
2 flights of stairs.
2 million flights of stairs.
We saying.
We made it. Made it to the top. I'm not 100% the hike up all those stairs is worth the view. You get like an amazing view of the waterfall at the bottom, but up the top you just see the top of it.
Don't tell them that. Tell them it's worth it. So make the hike up what we did.
If we had to suffer, you have to suffer.
It was amazing. You need to see it.
It is a hike. Like if you do the Stairmaster in the gym or something like that, you'll be fine. But otherwise, your bum is gonna be hurting, and your legs.
That one didn't beat the other one for yesterday. It's at the Engulfed.
Engulfed waterfall.
But that one is still pretty cool. A bit different than the other one as well. And yesterday I rated 9.7 and 5 or something. That one's probably a 9.
9?
A solid 9.
Are we going to rate these stops as well?
Sure.
Let's do it. I would rate, is it Skogafoss? Skogafoss waterfall. I'm giving an 8.75, only because the stairs that lead up give you a false impression that it's going to be something like breathtaking, amazing.
So you need to do it.
You make your own judgment on that one. And what are you rating it?
A 9.
9?
Yep.
You just make me sound lazy that I don't want to climb stairs. But here we go. Had to ask the driver for the pronunciation of where we are. So it's what is it? It's Solheimur Jökull Glacier. I think that's what it's called. But the scenery is absolutely stunning again. So this is a glacier He said that this year it's melting, it's smaller than what it usually is, but my god, it is breathtaking. Again, I don't think the camera's going to do it any justice.
Yeah.
We're at a glacier.
Yeah.
So you can see all the big bits of ice that are shattered, broken. The whole thing's frozen, isn't it? There's a little bit of flowing water over here, but wow. So the blue ice, the bits of ice with blue in it, are deprived of oxygen because they're so old, and the bits of black in the ice are the ones with like volcanic ash and things like that in it. Wow. Oh, macho, macho man. There you go. Look, that's amazing. Like, look at all that. All the air bubbles and stuff, and it weighs a ton. It's heavy. Just as well, because we're not going to Diamond Beach, so this is like a little mini Diamond Beach. Wow. That's amazing. 200 metres. So in the last 50 years it's lost 200 metres of its space, I guess. But it's still breathtaking. But I'm assuming year after year it's just going to keep losing. It's going to keep... Yeah, it's going to melt eventually. Probably not in our lifetime, but sad that one day it's not going to be here. But wow, breathtaking. I think I would rate that a 9.5, Diane. What are you rating it? A 9.5 out of 10. It's a good doubler as well. If you don't want to go to Diamond Beach or it's too far out for you, there's big rocks of ice here that are fucking gorgeous. And they work just as well for a wee photo op. Why not? And it's amazing. It's amazing seeing all the like bubbles inside it that have frozen over time. So yeah, Glacier, 9 out of 10. And we're on to Black Sand Beach with the sneaker waves. Excited to see that. I know, you can't turn your back on the waves or else you might be swept away. Oh, it's very windy here at Black Sand Beach. The guy said that sometimes there's a light that flashes red. That means if you come down here you might actually not even get to come to the beach because the sneaker waves are so dangerous. So I'm happy we actually have made it. Ours is flashing yellow today, so hopefully that's not too bad. Flashing yellow, we're all good. I know we've only just arrived, but I think this might be a 10 already. It's like, look at that. Those waves are crazy. Oh no! That's why they're called sneaker waves. You shouldn't go too close to them. That guy just got soaked. Look at these guys. Whoa. This is a cave that was in Game of Thrones. All the rock formation is what makes this place look so scenic and so special. Like, I have never seen anything like this in my actual life. The camera won't be doing this any justice to how absolutely breathtakingly beautiful it is. Everybody's away to the restaurant for a bite of lunch. does. Black sand beach and some sandwiches. Living the dream. Cheers.
Cheesy roll.
Cheesy roll. Oh, we are in Vic. This is the famous church. It's very windy right now. You can get another view of Black Sand Beach from up here as well. We have quickly came to Vic and then are very quickly getting back on the bus because the weather is so crazy. Vic though, well worth a wee stop off on the way. I'm saying the Vic's worth a stop off on the way. Just make sure you wrap up because it's very, very, very cold. You're at Icelands Boss. Is that how you say it? Waterfall. This is the last stop. And normally you would be able to walk around the back of it and you could get like photos behind the waterfall and you could view it from behind, but because it's winter, all the water that's fallen has formed quite a lot of ice. Oh wow, you can actually see how much ice it is from here. So you're not allowed to walk behind it, that trail's closed. It's crazy, isn't it? Look how wild. The ground is so slippy. Oh, it's very slippy. Somebody's just fell. My God, my God. Right. Oh, help me. It's very hard to get up here. Everything's frozen. All the water from the waterfall has actually made this. It's an actual ice rink. Like, oh, sorry. You can't even grab onto these because these are so big. I can really understand why they've shut that path. If we are sliding just trying to walk up to those stairs, can you imagine being behind that waterfall and you'd slide right into it? Like, my goodness. Definitely, if you're coming here in winter, bring some bloody crampons because that is ridiculous. That's the last stop on the South Coast tour, so how does that compare to the rest of it?
Probably still hit that with a 9.
I'd hit that with a 9 as well. Even though you can't get behind the waterfall, it's actually quite fun trying to, like, it's actually like an ice skating rink. It's probably quite dangerous, so if you're not steady on your feet, I wouldn't even attempt it, but it's a good laugh seeing everybody skating around. What about the South Coast tour in Jen? South Coast? The South Coast tour. There's a lot of driving in it, but it's definitely worthwhile. You get the views, you get the drama, waterfalls, black sand beaches. Yeah, it's great. Anything to add, Ryan? Nah?
On par with the Golden South Coast.
Yeah. People kind of said, before we came to Iceland, people were saying that, oh, if you're going to do either the Golden Circle or South Coast, do South Coast. So I was interested to see both of them and see what they were like, but I think they're totally different. I don't even think you can compare them.
Nah, not really.
No. But anyway, South Coast of Iceland, complete.